Hello, come on in. I'm about to make a classic no-bake dessert. It's called banana pudding. Don't forget to comment below, like the video, and subscribe. Add 2 cups of milk to your pudding mix. I like to use banana cream flavored instant pudding. You may also use vanilla pudding. Whisk in a can of condensed milk. Different cooks use a whisk in different ways. Some prefer side-to-side strokes. Others use circular stirring motions, while still others like the looping or beating action, which is often used for eggs. Which is best? Comment below. Side to side will give you great results regardless of the application. When it comes to egg whites, you'll love looping or beating. It's great when it comes to eggs. Stirring, you can leave that to the wooden spoon. Set your pudding aside inside the refrigerator while you set up your cookies and bananas. Add a layer of bananas. Repeat this process by adding more cookies. When your bowl is half full, pour in some pudding to cover your cookies and bananas. Then repeat. I like to add whipped cream on top, but of course whipped cream is optional. Then set it in the refrigerator for a few hours to allow the cookies and the pudding to gel and get soft. It's so good.